Well, here's the continuing saga, part 304. With the help of Steve, who was willing to spend about an hour on the phone with me tonight, both helping me trace and helping me learn how to use a voltmeter, which, by the way, I have a very cheap one that's going to be getting replaced tomorrow with one that actually works properly. We were able to trace it to what we believe is this connector right here. And while this end doesn't look too darn terrible, look what we've got here. Brittle, heat warped, nasty, old plastic. So, new connectors on order. I'm going to learn how to do that this week. I will be so smart someday. The lessons keep on coming.